English step by step. Pronunciation and spelling. Vowels. A, E and A. Step 1. This video is one of a series of videos in which I look at the sounds and the spelling of English vowels. In this video, we're going to look at A, like car, father, laugh. And then we're going to look at A, as in hair, parent, wear. And we're going to look at A, as in wait, mate. Now you can watch my other video, which is an overview of all these vowels and the spellings in English. So make sure you watch that video. So let's look at these three sounds. The first one is A. The next one is E. And the next one is A. These are called the phonemes. A, E, A. So, the normal spelling for this sound A is the letter A, as in car, or father, or bar, or far. Here are some irregular spellings, for example, AU, as in laughter, or EA, as in heart. And sometimes it has an L after it, like calm or palm. But the normal spelling is the letter A. Now the next one is air. Now normally, words with this sound have the letter R after the vowel. Here, for example, hair has the letter R after AI. So this is a very common spelling for this sound. Hair, fair. Another example is parent. Now, it has the letter A, but the pronunciation isn't parent. It must be parent. Other words are, for example, patient. So parent and patient are both spelled with the letter A. Now sometimes this sound is spelt with E-R-E, as in where or there. Next one, care. This is A and E. Now there are other words like this with the same spelling and the same sound. For example, hare, as in the animal, hare, care. Also, bear. Another common spelling is EA. For example, where. Another example could be the animal, the bear. And also, tear. So all of these are common spellings for the sound air. Now this one here is similar. This is A. You can hear the ending of the vowel is different in each case. This one is, the first one is air, and this is AE, air, A. An example is wait. So this is a common spelling again for the A sound, wait, AI. Another common spelling is A with E after the consonant, mate, fate, cake, for example. And many words have a Y at the end there, like pay, or lay, or say. An irregular spelling comes up in the word Gaelic, but there are not many words with this spelling for this sound. So those are the sounds and the spellings for those three vowels. So now you can test your understanding of these three vowels and practice the spelling and the sounds with a listening exercise. So I would like you to find a piece of paper and write 1, 2, 3 to 17, and then we'll practice the sounds and the spellings. So listen to the words and the sentences write them down and think about the sounds and the spellings. Number 1, particle. Particle. Number 2, past. Past. Number 3, pasta. Pasta. Number 4, darling. Darling. Number 5, stair. Now this is a stair in a house, to go up or down. Stair. Number 6, bear. Now this is the animal. Bear. Bear. Number 7, there. Now this is the word you use for pointing, location. There. There. Number 8, stare. Stare. Now this is different from number 5. Number 5 is in a house, when you go up and down, that's a stair. Number 8 is also stare, but this one is when you look at something for a long time. Stare. Stare. Number 9, station. Station. Number 10, pavement. Pavement. 11, paste. Paste. Number 12, patience. Patience. So those are words with these sounds. 13, 14 to 17 are sentences. So listen and write the sentences. All of the sentences contain these 3 vowel sounds. Number 13. All the participants were bare naked. All the participants were bare naked. 14. Her father is her favourite parent. Her father is her favourite parent. 15. Australian parents are very patient. Australian parents are very patient. 16. He tells tales about the past and we laugh. He tells tales about the past and we laugh. 17. Mary paid for the parking. Mary paid for the parking. You can pause the video, rewind, watch it again, check the words and the spellings. So that brings us to the end of this step 1 video on a, and e. So you can move on to the step 2 video to find and check the answers to the practice exercise. If you like the content of this video, please click like and subscribe, and you can request a lesson in the comments below.